Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Zepeto avatar. First, launch the Zepeto app on your phone or tablet. This action will take you directly to your home screen. Resetting your avatar is a great way to completely refresh its appearance, allowing you to experiment with new styles from scratch. It's a simple process that gives you full control over your virtual identity. Once you are on the Zepeto home screen, locate and tap the profile icon, which is usually found in the bottom right corner of your display. This will open your personal profile page. From there, select the Edit Avatar option. Within the editing interface, you'll need to navigate through the various customization categories, such as body or face, to find the specific reset button. It's typically a small, clearly labeled icon. After locating and tapping the reset button, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is a crucial step, as it asks you to confirm your intention to revert your avatar to its default appearance. Carefully read the message to understand what will happen. If you are certain you wish to proceed, tap the Confirm or Yes button. This action will immediately apply the reset, changing your avatar's look. With your avatar successfully reset, you'll see it in its original, default state, ready for a complete makeover. Now is the perfect time to dive back into the customization options. You can explore thousands of different features, including hairstyles, facial expressions, clothing, and accessories. Take your time to experiment and create a truly unique and personalized avatar that perfectly reflects your style. Enjoy the creative process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.